Alright, we got an extractor drill bit set, 50-piece screw, whatever that means. Yesking Professional Tools. Of course they're professionals. Professional tools. I just used a professional tool to open it. I got a number here or something? Made in China. Nothing on the back. Okay. Alright. You got a cover. Just a piece of plastic. So this comes with a ratchet. So we got some oil on this. So this is what sets coming in here. Coming with those. You're getting your metric and your whatever the other one's called. Marca. Ratchet. So the other kits are 49 piece, and they're coming with all this exact same stuff, except this one actually comes with the ratchet. You don't need any special ratchet to do all this stuff because you're not. Be nice with the stubby. Okay. Oh, got a piece of blue on there. Whatever that is. And I guess this is for use your drill. So it's supposed to go that way, not this way. This way, so you can grab. See if it grabbed any of the teeth. So, you got all these. All these sets up to, what is it, 3/4 inch. A little piece of blue stuff there. It's good for rounded out sockets. Oh. Alright, so that's what those are for. Not round, hex heads. These are reverse drill bits. I'll show you a big one. So you're not drilling this way. This is the way a normal drill goes. Drills this way. You're drilling this way. These are left. So when you're drilling into the nut, the drill bit is actually digging into the nut to help it get it out. That's the point of these reverses. That's why these are good. They're left-handed. See, left-handed. See how it eats into my skin there? Left-handed. So you got some skin on there. Not right. These are not right-handed drill bits. Left-handed, left-twisted, so I try to torque out the nut. So you would use these to drill the hole into the back of the nut. If you use these, if it doesn't come out, then you can go on one of these, and jam it in there, and try to get it out. These are real hard. And you can also use these. Well, it's the same thing. Like a stripped out fillet heads. You can get these in here. I wonder if this would fit. I don't think so. What is this size? 1/2 inch. Oh, those teeth aren't even grabbing. I was going to say, I wonder if I could use this to get your differential plug out. But these, I don't think this is thick enough, and those teeth don't feel like they're doing much. Is this one bigger? 30 seconds. It's better than to use the pipe nipple thing. Alright, so that's your set. I really wanted it because of these left-handed drill bits. There you go.